Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be installing this beautiful curly wig, 250% density, 26 inches from Asteria hair company. As you can see, the lace is indeed HD lace, and this melt was absolutely perfect. I start all of my videos out the same, doing my bob cap. You guys know how I do that if you've already been watching my channel, but if not, head over to my other videos to see a detailed tutorial. Now, I was kind of nervous about the density of this hair. I've never worn this much hair, and I've never worn this much hair, and honestly, I thought that it would be like a whole situation and that I wouldn't like it, but I love this hair so much. I love this hairstyle so much. Honestly, I didn't know what to do with this wig when I first got it, but I'm so glad that, this hairstyle went viral on TikTok because I absolutely love it. Now, you guys will see that I actually won't pluck this wig at all. I'm going to install it as is. I did take some of the hair out for my baby hairs, but that's optional. You definitely don't have to do that, and that's only because I like my baby hairs a specific type of way. You don't have to take as much hair that I use for my baby hairs, but you'll see that in the next few clips pretty much. You can already see that the lace is just blending into my skin already. Like you can barely see the lace as it is, but I'm gonna get ready to cut it off, and once you see that I cut it off, it will literally just melt perfectly. Perfect. Now, as I said before, I'm not really going to pluck my hair. As you can see, it already looks very good, very natural. So you don't need to really cut your hair or pluck your hair, sorry, but that was just my personal preference. This claw clip hairstyle was so cute. I loved it so much. I honestly did not want to take this wig off because I literally loved it that much. It looks like it's a lot of hair, and don't get me wrong, it is a lot of hair, but once it's on your head and it's styled, it's honestly not that bad. Right here, I'm just thinning out my hair. There's a whole lot of controversy about a lot of people who don't really like the big baby hair look. let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Me personally, I love the big baby hair look. It fits my face. I do like the smaller baby hairs as well, like how I used to do them, but honestly, I mean, I don't know, like I just love the big baby hair look. It gives, it serves. As long as it's not too big and as long as it's framed to the face, I'm pretty much good with it, but that's just me. So I'm using Got to Be Sprayed to lay down my edges. Usually I would never do this. I usually use an ISO Plus can spray. It's like a big blue can of spray, and I usually use that. That's literally the best product ever to just lay your baby hairs down without having to like mold them down or like make them hard or whatnot. Literally the best spray ever, but I didn't have it on hand at the moment, so I substituted for the Got to Be spray. So honestly, with this hairstyle, I noticed that the front two pieces that I laid down, they just tied it in the back behind the hair with the like elastic band or a rubber band or whatnot. And then the top half, all you want to do is kind of like fold it and roll it and claw clip it in the back. There's many different ways for you to do claw clip hairstyles, but this is just how I decided to do mine since it was a whole lot of hair. And yeah, I love the way it came out. You guys are going to see me spray the hair, wet the hair in the next clip, make it more defined, and just, you know, just get those curls looking very beautiful and fine and uniform. So this is pretty much all for this tutorial, y'all. I literally love this hairstyle so much. I'm definitely going to be trying it again and just doing more claw clip hairstyles period in general. I love you guys. I will see you in my next one.